So we had a crazy weekend. We sold about 30 items for about $700. And today we're gonna show you what sold for us so you guys know what to look out for. So let's go. What is up? I am the Scoundrel Rod Grimes, and it's Monday the 27th, 2 days after Christmas, and we have a ton of orders. Okay, we sold over, I think like 30 items since Christmas. So I'm gonna pull some orders today, show you guys what it's selling, and give you guys some reselling tips along the way. All right, so the first item that sold was these broken PS2 controllers. Now, anytime I get broken video game or electronics or anything like that, controllers, systems, I put them in a big pile, wait till I get a couple items, and I put them up for sale. They usually do pretty well. This one took a little while to sell because it's PS2 controllers, but I did get $9.99 plus shipping on top. All right, next item we sold was these 2017 WWE Topps trading card sets. I have probably about $5 into these right now, and we got $44 plus shipping on those. You guys saw that big PS5 trade I did, and those items are still selling pretty well. Next item we sold was Hack Infection. We got $24.99 plus shipping for this. It was complete, pretty mint condition here, so that was a nice sale. As you saw that PS5 video I posted up the other day for that trade, we've already made all of our money back, so everything we get from there is pure profit going forward. So that was $25 pure profit, which is nice. All right, next item we sold was Wwe Smackdown and Reverse Raw 2008 for the PS3. I think this is complete in box. We got $19.99 plus shipping on that. So nice sale there. Picked that up in my big wrestling buy of all those action figures. I think we got maybe $1 or $2 in that. So not bad. All right, next sale was for PS4, Evil Within 2. This I probably paid $4 or $5 for, so I didn't really make any money on it. Sold for $8.99 plus shipping. All right, so I'm about to show you guys some items right now that look out for that can actually do really, really well. Okay, golf towels, bar towels. Even if they're used, they can sell really well. Okay, I went to a yard sale a while back, and I got an entire tote filled with used bar towels with all kind of like bar promo items on them, stuff like that. I've been selling them left and right. They've been doing very well for me. I probably have about 10 cents each item. But here's one of them right here, Rogue towel. We think we got $7.99 plus shipping for that, and I got about 10 cents into that. Right after Christmas time, you sell a lot of accessories for video games and a lot of games because a lot of people get new systems for Christmas and they're looking to add additional items to their stuff. So make sure, little reselling tip, if you sell video game stuff, make sure you have all your extra controllers listed, cords, everything up, and all your games up, because after Christmas, they do really well all the way through January. So that's usually a big time for me to sell all that stuff. We sold Half-Life 2 for Xbox 360, complete with manual. We got $17.99 plus shipping on that. So I think I picked it up for like $2. WWE and WWF wrestling games sell really, really well, so don't pass them up. A lot of people think they're sports games and they just pass them up because a lot of sports games don't sell. Wrestling is the exception to that because wrestling games do sell really well. Okay, next one here is actually probably the best wrestling game for the PS2. If you see it out, pick it up. It could bring big bucks. All right, so we got WWE Smackdown. Here Comes the Pain for PS2. I got $44, actually $44.99 plus shipping on that. And that came in this huge toy box. This came in my huge purchase of wrestling toys. And I probably got a few bucks into that. When you're looking for Funkos, wrestling figures, action figures, if you ever see Amazon, Walmart, Target exclusive on them, always look them up. Okay, they're exclusive to that store. They may be hard to find. Usually are highly sought after by collectors because they missed the boat on it or didn't know about it when it was released, okay? This next one right here, I saw this Funko John Cena, You Can't See Me, and you'll know why here in a second. All right, this John Cena Amazon exclusive right here, You Can't See Me. You can see there why. But this is Amazon exclusive. I think I paid like, maybe like 25 bucks, 25 bucks for this. This came that huge lot of wrestling stuff I purchased. And I got $49.99 plus shipping on top for that. So great turnaround, some great profit on there. Next two items I sold here are two Game Boy games. I got Mario Land right here, which I think I got about maybe $3 into both of these total. Mario Land here sold for $14.99 plus shipping on top. And Off-Road I think sold for $6.99 plus shipping. Thomas Train stuff sells really, really well. So if you're out and about at yard sales, I always pick it up. You can piece it out. The tracks sell well. The cars all sell well. So make sure you pick it up if you get it cheap. They can bring big bucks on eBay. All right, so here's some plastic track for Thomas the Train. It's actually 26 pieces. I probably got $3-4 into this right here. This sold for $21.99 plus shipping on top. All right, so we just got done packaging up that first batch of orders, and let's pull some more orders, show you guys what else is selling. All right, so we sold this Dexter Normal People Are Hostile mug. We got this at a yard sale for 25 cents. It's sold for $4.99 plus shipping. Next thing here we sold is at a Harry Potter luggage tag. We picked this up at a yard sale for maybe 50 cents. And we got $6.99 plus shipping for that. All right, so recently we did a massive bulk buy of a whole wrestling collection. And so let's pull some of those orders and show you guys what sold. We sold about 3 figures out of that collection. I got about $7 or $8 into each figure, but let's show you what sold. We sold this Elite figure, Alexa Bliss. We got $24.99 for that. Cool looking figure. This is another Elite collection. This is the Rey Mysterio Jr. figure. We got $49.99 plus shipping for that. When you guys are out and about at yard sales, if you ever come across the WWE Elite collection figures, they can bring really good money, okay? Some of the earlier figures can bring $50, $100 a pop. Even loose, they can bring great money. So always look those up. If you get a big collection of WWE wrestling figures, highly recommend picking up. There's a lot of good money in those. We sold a couple CDs here. 2 different CDs. We sold a Jimi Hendrix CD. We got this for a dime. We bought a massive lot of DVDs. And this DVD was 10 cents. We sold it for $3.50. It was discounted. It's been in our store for a while. Evel Knievel, another DVD here. We got about 10 cents into it. Sold for $3.50. Not as much profit here, but I mean, everything we sell in these is pure profit. Easy to list, easy to ship. One of the things I really enjoy selling is used hats, because I can usually find them at yard sales for like 50 cents a piece, 50 cents or $1. They sell really good. Over the summer, I hit up a yard sale. The guy used to own a cigar shop, and he had a ton of promo hats. He probably got them all for free because he's a distributor. I bought this massive lot. It came out to like 69 cents each, and I made an absolute killing on them. I got about 40 or 50 hats. So we just sold one here. We sold this Kristoff Hat. We got $7.99 plus shipping for that. I think we got 69 cents into it. So great return on investment. Not a lot of profit, but adds up, easy to ship. Next thing we sold, once again, controllers are huge after Christmas time because people get new systems. Everyone's looking to get different accessories to go with them. I put all my controllers and try to put all my stuff in bags so it looks like a better presentation when you do receive it. But we got $19.99 plus shipping for that. We sold this Paperboy Super Nintendo game for $7.99. We got about $1 or $2 into it. Not a big return, but easy to ship. I like small things like this, quick and easy ship. We sold these 90s WWF Hasbro figures. These things bring huge money. If you guys ever come across a collection of these I think we sold for $11.99 or $13.99 plus shipping. These are one of the early sets. If you get some of the later releases, they could bring hundreds of dollars. So keep an eye out for WWF Hasbro figures. These things bring great money. One of my favorite things to find when I'm out yard sailing and thrifting is vintage clothing. Vintage t-shirts can bring really good money, but also sweatshirts can bring good money too. You just have to find unique items and have a unique look to it. This item we got right here, this is a single stitch. It's a fly fishing embroidered sweatshirt. We paid $2.99 for this. We got $16.99 plus shipping. All right, we just got done packaging up. Let's pull some more orders here and show you guys some more stuff that's sold. All right, we sold this right here. This dual tape deck. We paid $10 for this. We got $69.99 plus shipping. Look out for this brand right here. Right there. One of the things that I like to sell that a lot of people stay away from is Crt Tvs. They are great for gaming, especially if you find the DVD or VCR combos with them. Pick them up, especially if they're cheap. This one I paid up for because I found it at a thrift store. I paid $29.99 for this, but I sold it for $70 plus shipping. So the Orion TV is the DVD combo. We got $69.99 plus shipping for that. We paid $29.99. So this is, I think this is a 9-inch. Has a little handle on the back here, makes it easy to pick up and grab. These little TVs sell great because people like to put them, they can travel with them, set them up at tailgates, or put them in their man caves or off to the side, and awesome for playing video games or testing out systems. All right, next item we find is this Model T, or actually this is Model A, replica telephone lineman truck from 1931. I think this was actually made in 1984, but it's a 1931 replica. We paid $5 for this at a yard sale. We get $19.99 plus shipping. I mentioned to you guys earlier, there's a lot of sport games that people usually avoid, but this one right here usually brings good money on PS2. This we got $11.99 plus shipping for. So if you see this game, pick it up. I think it's the last game ESPN made for any system. All right, in my previous reselling videos and when I go out yard selling, one of the things I always look for is hip hop rap CDs from the 90s. I cannot preach this enough. If you guys find CD books filled with CDs at yard sales, you can usually get them for $5, $10, $15, $20. You get 50, 100 CDs, you can make an absolute killing on those. One of the yard sales that we went to, we'll have a video up soon on it. We picked up a huge lot of hip hop and 90s rap, and we've been making a killing off them. I think we got about like $20, maybe we have $20 in all the CDs. We got 100 plus CDs, so we have less than 50 cents into each CD, but they are doing great for us. We sold this one right here. This is a 3-6 Mafia and Friends present the Head Buster, and we got $39.99 plus shipping for that. Keep an eye out. These can bring huge money and great return on your investments. All right, so that's pretty much everything that we sold over the weekend here. There might be one or other two things that I might have missed. Guys, thank you for watching. That's pretty much everything that we sold over the weekend. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure you like the video and subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite item that we sold. And until next time, we'll see you guys soon.